Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is currently Taco Tuesday in our house. So I'm just gonna start this video with just making our little taco bar for tonight. And this is something that we do every week, you guys. And also, like, if you're not really good at meal planning or your schedule just super busy, you hadn't gotten it down packed, this is something that can just stay on the calendar for the rest of the year. So this has helped us a whole lot with scheduling meals for the week. I know that I don't have to worry about Tuesday.
Just like yesterday, sway the day away, play and sleep and play. I want to stay, come and make my day. I don't want to rush it, I don't want to fake it. So baby, make my day. Summer's long, all day. We sway the day away.
Before I continue on, just want to say thank you so much for being here. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not new here, thank y'all for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know just that so that I can chat with you. I really like to, just get to know you guys. I have some familiar names who I chat with every week, and that just kind of helps me to keep track of who I'm communicating with, and especially who is watching. And also, if you watch my channel and you don't normally comment, because I've gotten more views lately, just say hello. I won't bite, I promise you.
Sway the day away, just like yesterday. Sway the day away, play and sleep and play.
So we're just gonna go around the house. I got just a few things to do. I'm gonna tackle this kitchen and also just some other areas in the house. I'm also gonna show you guys just some things that I'll be working on around the house. So I hope this gets you up and motivated. So let's continue.
but you can't hide it. Now what will be your move? Yeah, what you gonna do, babe? We've been playing games for too long, but never win. Let's drop out, 'cause I know what you wanna do. I wanna do it too, babe. You wanna roll with me? Gotta keep moving, baby. You wanna roll with me? I wanna make you dreamy. You wanna roll with me? Gotta keep moving, baby. Don't be afraid, just believe. Trust me, baby, we can do this easily. We can do this easily. Really easily. We can do this easily. You wanna feel that love thing? Pick up the clay and shape it. You wanna drown in me. Yeah, you wanna drown in me, baby. It scares you like a monster, 'cause it's all you've ever dreamed of. Show me that.
I lowered the dishwasher before I started cooking, so I already started running it. So it's probably almost done, but I wanted to go ahead and get these dishes cleaned up so I can move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these by hand.
With me, gotta keep moving, baby. You wanna roll with me? I wanna make you dreamy. You wanna roll with me? Gotta keep moving, baby. Don't be afraid, just believe. Trust me, baby,
been wanting one of these bamboo trays for a while, but they're pretty expensive. I think they were like $30 on Amazon. So my husband and I were in Marshall's earlier this day, and I found this one for $9.99. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this drawer cleaned out. I'm gonna declutter some of these items that I'm no longer using so that I can make space for this organizer.
Even when sunlight turns to storm.
Now I'm just going to clean out these organizers that were in the drawer. I tried to make it work as best as I could with these, but I can use these in another space. And I also want to just share this with y'all. Look, in my home, this is what I do. I elevate when I can. So I use what works best for us and our budget until I can elevate that one thing up to the next thing. You know what I'm saying? And then hopefully, you know, I can continue to elevate that area, that drawer or whatever, but you gotta stay budget conscious and do what you can for you, regardless of what you see on YouTube or in the magazines or TV and all that kind of stuff. There's always a way to get your house looking organized, clean, or whatever budget you have. You start where you are, and then as life continues, I call it elevating within your budget.
Sitting in a crowded place, don't know what you're saying. Sad expression on your face, but I don't know what you're saying. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You've been drinking too much wine. Don't know what you're saying. I'm guessing you're not from around, yeah. 'Cause I don't know what you're saying. Sipping on my cola. Wishing we could start communicate. Sipping on my soda. Still don't understand what you say. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
So these are some of the items that, well, some of them have just been sitting in the floor for a couple of days. I know. And some we also got today, so I'm gonna put those away. I also have some more fabric that I am going to reupholster the dining room chairs. And I did not know, but it kind of matches with the end chairs. But this is the fabric that I used previously, which was some months ago, to reupholster these chairs. But of course, it was before I got this rug, so now it doesn't match. So now I've got to reupholster the chairs so it won't look so busy. I also picked up some picks and stems and this wreath from Hobby Lobby so that I can make a new fall wreath for our door. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. If you are not following me, I would love for you to do that. My handle is Inspired by Tamara Michelle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these items out of the floor. Lastly, I'm just gonna put away the extra paper towels. We put these in here. Since I'm here, I'm also going to straighten up this cabinet just a little bit. If you're new here, I don't know how many months ago, I decluttered and organized this laundry cabinet, so you can always go back and watch that video. I also try to remember to link it below and also put a little card at the top if you're interested and need motivation for that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get it just straightened up just a little bit and then get these paper towels put away.
Something more for sure.
So y'all, this is all that I had to do for tonight, which was enough for me. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you got enough motivation out of it to get up and do something around your home. I also hope that you remember to just do what you can for you guys, okay? So I thank y'all so much for being here as always. I hope you have the most amazing week. Blessings to y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.